my gosh, let me make this quick because it's hot. It's hot and I need to hurry up before my car heat up because I just turned the AC off. Listen, I know you guys did not expect to see me back. Look at this cute shirt I got from Walmart. One of you guys had asked me about one of my other shirts. All those are David's, my son. He's 16. He's in Pittsburgh with his dad. He'll be here this summer. So all of his anime shirts he left last summer I've been wearing. And I actually found this one at Walmart and I thought it was super cute. So I grabbed it for like $9. So listen, I know y'all didn't expect to see me back so soon. But I got my inserts early today. And I wanted to try something. So I went to Walmart. I'm already done. I'm going to share with you guys. I think I had like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I had like 7 deals to share with y'all. I'm going to try to make this quick. It will be real time, which is easier for me because I hate to have to go home and set aside time to be quiet where you guys don't hear Josiah downstairs screaming in the background. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Smash that subscribe button. Definitely hit the like button as well. So support your girl. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on a video. So other than that, we're going to head over to Walmart and share some awesome deals. So keep on watching. So this first deal, we're going to start over in the laundry department. We're going to go ahead and grab the Arm & Hammer odor blasters again. I did get my inserts today, so I wanted to try this deal out. And so we're going to grab 2 of them, priced at $5.44. It's going to come to $10.88. I'm going to use 2 of these dollar coupons right here that we just got in our inserts, which will then bring the total down to you paying $8.88 out of pocket. But then you'll get back $7 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are to da. I don't think this offer is on Checkout 51. I think it is, but it's only on certain stores. So it'll bring this down to 94 cents each, which is not bad. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab 4. Next I'm going to grab is on the Clorox. I'm going to try to make this quick because it's so busy in here. This reset for us on Swagbucks, My Points inbox, and Tada. So I'm going to go ahead and do it again. It's buy 2, get back 6. These are priced at $3.98. But when I was here, I saw these bellies right here. And I was like, booyah. So we're going to throw those in the mix. So we're grabbing 2 of these at $3.98. We're going to use 2 of those pillies. We'll end up paying $5.96. And then we'll get back $6 here on Swagbucks. My Points inbox are to da. Basically making both of them free plus a 4-cent moneymaker. So I'm going to go ahead and just double up and grab 4 on multiple receipts, transactions, and submit them on all 4 apps. And they'll all be free plus a moneymaker. You guys, I got to the store and this deal just got so much sweeter. This right here is an awesome deal. I'm hoping it resets everywhere. It's on the Irish Spring. These are the 20-ounce bottles. They are priced at $4.97. I can't get behind the register over there to show you guys. I'll pop up the price, but they're $4.97. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 of them. I did get printables for my Ip Fairy. I'll pop up who I got these from, and he's absolutely amazing. Definitely is one of my go-tos for sure. We'll end up paying $16.88 out of pocket, but we'll get back $1.50 for each on Ibotta, $1.24 for each on Checkout 51, $5 for every 2 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada. And then there's also kicks on Shopkick, which is 650 kicks. And there's 4 different scents you can get with a limit of 2 per scent. So you get back a total of $10.50 total, making this a $14.49 moneymaker, you guys. This is an awesome deal. Definitely have to do it sooner than later. Alright, this next awesome deal I'm going to share y'all is on the Dove deodorant. I only have certain ones that are still $6.27. Now I did order some IPs from my Ip Fairy for $1.50 off of 1. It'll bring it down to $4.77, but then you'll get back $5 on Ibotta for buying 1. There's 750 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3. Making this a $3.23 moneymaker. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 5 of them. Y'all know me, go hard or go home, right? So I'm gonna grab 5 of these. We're gonna use 5 of those printables. It's gonna bring the total down to $23.85 at a pocket, but we'll get back $25 on Ibotta, which is 5 for each, limit of 5. And then we'll get back $7.50 in kicks, which is $3 on Shopkick. So it'll still be a $4.14 moneymaker, even buying 5. So it's like, why not just grab 5 rather than just grab 1? So next deal that I'm gonna do is on the Arm & Hammer. It's on the Complete Care. It's priced at $3.98. We're gonna grab 2 of these. End up paying $7.96 and then getting back $1.50 for each on Ibotta. There's also $3 on Swagbucks, my points inbox and Tada, and then 87 cents for each on checkout 51, making these only 11 cents. And so yeah, your girl's definitely gonna max it out and grab 4. All right, guys. So one of the last thing I'm gonna grab is gonna be on the Betadine. It's priced at $10.98. Now for this, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of them. I'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also $3 on coupons.com, Alexa, or ShopMe as well. And then there's 1,250 kicks on Shopkick, which is $5.10, making this a 12-cent moneymaker. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna grab this deal on the Senecot. It's priced at $5.68. We have a $3 coupon that we just got in our inserts. I'm hoping it scans. Of course, I'll let you guys know. That'll bring the total down to you paying $2.68, but you'll get back $1 on Ibotta. And there's also 700 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.80, making this a $1.12 moneymaker. All right, so next up, I had to go to Dollar Tree to do this deal. These have worked in the past on coupons.com, Alexa, and ShopMe. This top one here is the one that does not work, so that's not the one you want to grab. As you can see, you want to grab the 2-in-1. The Icy Blast works, so does the whitening one as well. We do have 2 separate rebates attaching, so I'm going to grab 2 of them. You end up paying $2.50 but getting back $4, making every set of 2 $1.50 moneymaker. Now again, this is on coupons.com, Alexa, and ShopMe. I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 sets of 2 and submit on all 3 ShopMe accounts, and then on Alexa as well. I'll go ahead and scan with Alexa as well so you can see there are 2 on there as well. So all 8 will be free plus a $6 moneymaker. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This looks amazing. I love this. You guys know I don't normally do videos on Thursdays unless I really want you guys to know about something before before like Saturday, because I usually do it on videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So if I don't think a deal's going to last till Saturday, I'll just go ahead and do one on Thursday or Friday. And so that's why I'm doing a video for you guys today, even though I did one for you guys yesterday. And so the Clorox, I don't think it's going to last. The Irish Spring, I know it's not going to last. The Dove on Ibotta for $5 back on one, it's not going to last. And so, so this haul here worked out really, really good. As far as coupons, I didn't scan the Senecot $3 coupon. Right, so I had her take the item off, and then I went back and grabbed more Clorox, and I did it again. Self-checkout, and it actually scanned at a different register, which is weird. So let me show you my receipts really, really quick. There goes the Irish Spring. There goes the scent boosters, the Clorox, the Dove Men Care, Betadine, Senecot. I had her voided off because the coupon didn't work. And then I went back around and did it over here, different register, but still in self-checkout. And as you can see right here, it scanned. So that was weird. All right. This receipt, Clorox, I added a banana. I scanned that first because sometimes I notice with Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada, sometimes if a receipt looks like it's a duplicate or it's identical, the system kind of looks at it as it is. I'll usually scan something random first. And so I added a banana on this one because I didn't want it to look identical to this one right here. And yeah, and then this one here was the toothpaste, Senecot, Clorox. And so yeah, and then of course with the toothpaste, we did 4 different transactions. And for this one, I just added a random item to 2 of these so that they wouldn't look the same. Actually 3 of these, so they wouldn't look all the same. And made sure that the first item for each receipt is different, as you can see. And so, yeah, but I didn't have any issues with that. I'm still waiting for those receipts to process on ShopMe and Alexa as well. And so, yeah, so everything you see here retails $178.85. I had $33.50 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $145.35. And then we walk away with $41 from Ibotta, $38.49 from My Points, $18 from Tada, $12 from Inbox Dollars, $12 from Swagbucks. Shopkick was $21.20. Now with Shopkick, I've been having issues with Shopkick lately. Like, I don't know if they're under new management or what, but it didn't pick up nothing on my receipt. And on that receipt, I had the Irish Spring, and I had the Dove and the Betadine. The Senecot was on a separate receipt, and it didn't pick up anything. All right, so I resubmitted the receipt, which sometimes it'll go through, but sometimes it'll say it's a duplicate, so it won't let you resubmit it. You have to put a ticket in. So I resubmitted it. It let me submit it again. It still didn't pick up anything, so I put a ticket in for that. And I think that they owe me like upwards of like 4,000 kicks. So I'll let you guys know what happens with that. And then we got back $8.44 from checkout 51. Shop Medium was $15 and Alexa $7. So we walk away with a total of $173.13, making everything you see here free, plus a $27.78 moneymaker, which is awesome, y'all. Our tax was $15.68, and even after tax, we still make $12, which is just amazing. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, support your girl, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.